Have you ever eaten a full meal, but still felt hungry? Or found yourself craving junk food late at night, even though you've just eaten? It's frustrating, right? Well, most people think hunger is all about willpower, but what if I told you there's something else at play? Your brain and gut bacteria might actually be controlling your cravings, and you might not even know it. Stick with me because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you're always hungry and the best science-backed ways to finally control your appetite naturally. Before we jump any deeper into the science behind it all, I want to take a moment to remind you that the information in this video is purely for educational and informational purposes. It is always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, exercise, or health routine. Now, let's get started with the real science behind why you're always hungry. Have you ever sat through a meal and still felt that nagging hunger, especially for something sweet? It turns out there's a hidden science behind why you might feel this way, even when your stomach should be full. One surprising culprit is the bacteria in your gut. Certain bacteria, particularly those that thrive on sugar, can send signals straight to your brain, almost like a silent whisper urging you to keep eating. Even if you've had a well-balanced meal, these sugar-loving microbes might be working behind the scenes to keep your appetite in check, or rather, out of balance. And that's just one part of the story. Have you ever noticed that quick burst of energy after eating a processed snack, only to crash soon after? Those foods trigger a rapid spike in your blood sugar, which quickly plummets, leaving you feeling drained and craving more. But there's even more to it. Your body's hormones play a crucial role too. Ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger, ramps up your desire to eat, while leptin, the hormone that should tell you you're full, sometimes fails to deliver its message. When these hormones are out of sync, it's like your body's internal communication system is sending mixed signals. This intricate interplay between your gut bacteria, blood sugar levels, and hormones might be the real reason you're always feeling hungry, even when you think you've had enough. It's a fascinating puzzle that could hold the key to breaking free from those relentless cravings. Have you ever felt full but still craved something sweet? Comment yes if you've experienced this, and let's see how many of us are in the same boat. Now that we've unraveled the hidden science behind your hunger, let's shift our focus to tackling it head-on with some natural solutions. Here are the top 10 natural appetite suppressants that work in a straightforward why and how solution format, making it easy to understand how each one helps you stay satisfied. First up is apple cider vinegar. You might be surprised to learn that this simple ingredient can make a huge difference. It works by stabilizing your blood sugar, which in turn prevents those sudden spikes and crashes that trigger hunger. With balanced blood sugar, you experience fewer hunger pangs, giving you a natural edge over cravings. Next, consider your favorite morning energizers, coffee and green tea. Not only do they give you that much-needed wake-up boost, but they also ramp up the hormones that signal fullness while helping burn fat. This means you can enjoy a satisfying feeling that lasts, keeping midday cravings at bay. Moving on, we have the ever-popular avocado. Rich in fiber and healthy fats, avocados slow down digestion and help you feel full for longer periods. They offer a delicious, creamy way to curb hunger naturally by nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Now, let's talk about a treat that doubles as a hunger suppressant: dark chocolate, specifically the kind with 85% cocoa or higher. While it might sound indulgent, dark chocolate contains compounds that actively reduce appetite, satisfying your sweet tooth without triggering extra cravings. Do you enjoy a piece of dark chocolate now and then? Let me know in the comments. For those who like a bit of spice, cayenne pepper is a fantastic option. Its fiery kick isn't just for flavor, it also decreases hunger signals, making you feel fuller without adding extra calories. A little heat can go a long way in keeping your appetite in check. Protein is one of the most reliable hunger fighters, and that's where eggs and other high-protein foods come in. Protein takes longer to digest, so it keeps you feeling satisfied for hours. This steady release of energy is a natural way to combat hunger throughout your day. Next on our list is bone broth paired with collagen. These nutrient-dense options do more than just comfort you on a cold day. They nourish your gut and help stabilize your digestive system, preventing those unpredictable cravings. They provide a consistent flow of nutrients that keep you satisfied over time. Now, think about the simple yet powerful combination of leafy greens with olive oil. The fiber in greens, combined with the healthy fats from olive oil, works together to extend your sense of fullness while also supporting overall wellness. It's an easy addition to your meals that can make a big difference. Another smart option is MCT oil, extracted from coconut oil. MCT oil offers quick, efficient energy without the dreaded hunger crashes that come from other fats. By providing a steady energy source, it helps keep those hunger signals under control, ensuring you stay energized and satisfied. Lastly, we have grapefruit and other bitter foods. Their natural bitter compounds help regulate your appetite hormones, sending a signal to your body to slow down the urge to eat. This balancing act can be a game changer for managing your overall appetite. Each of these natural appetite suppressants offers a unique approach to keeping hunger at bay, and by combining a few of them, you might finally break free from that constant cycle of cravings. Now, let's take a look at some lifestyle tricks that can crush hunger and keep cravings at bay without relying solely on food. These simple habits can make a huge difference in how your body responds to hunger signals. First up, get an extra 30 minutes of sleep each night. It might sound easy, but poor sleep actually increases hunger hormones like ghrelin, which makes you feel hungrier. Just a bit more rest can help regulate those hormones, reducing the intensity of cravings and helping you feel more satisfied throughout the day. Research shows that even a small increase in sleep can make a noticeable difference in appetite control. Next, try incorporating daily walks into your routine. Nothing too intense, just a gentle stroll. Walking helps prevent blood sugar crashes by improving insulin sensitivity, which means your body can manage glucose more effectively. This helps to avoid those sudden hunger pangs that hit when your blood sugar dips too low. Plus, walking boosts your mood and reduces stress, giving you even more hunger-busting benefits. Stress is another big factor when it comes to hunger. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that triggers hunger and cravings for high-fat, high-sugar comfort foods. So, finding ways to reduce stress, whether through meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises, can be incredibly effective in curbing unnecessary hunger. Reducing stress levels not only keeps cravings in check, but also promotes better digestion and overall health. Finally, don't underestimate the power of water. Dehydration can often feel like hunger, causing you to eat when your body is actually just thirsty. Drinking enough water throughout the day can significantly reduce these false hunger signals. Try drinking a glass of water before meals to help control portion sizes and feel fuller faster. Adding a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water can make it more refreshing and even help boost metabolism. By making these small adjustments to your lifestyle, you'll be better equipped to manage hunger, reduce cravings, and improve your overall well-being, all without reaching for extra snacks. So there you have it, the hidden science behind why you're always hungry, the foods that naturally curb those cravings, and lifestyle changes that can crush hunger for good. Now that you understand what's really going on in your body, it's time to take control. With the right foods and habits, you can finally feel satisfied, energized, and in charge of your appetite. But here's the kicker. This is just the beginning. The more you dig into these habits, the more you'll discover about how your body works and how simple changes can lead to massive improvements. So, what will you do with this new knowledge? The next step is up to you. But one thing's for sure, if you start implementing these tips, you're already on the path to feeling your best. Which of these tips will you try first? I'd love to hear what you think. Comment below and share your thoughts. If this video helped you out, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep bringing you valuable content like this. And if you're craving more science-backed health tips to take control of your hunger and well-being, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my future videos. Let's keep this journey going together.